everyone again to give our adorable graduates a round of applause. Before I begin, let me greet everyone on this momentous occasion. Good morning. To our ever-loving and patient teachers, our very supportive and caring staff and faculty, Ma'am Sol, Sir Al, our proud and nurturing parents, and most importantly, to our wonderful treasures, our dear graduates, good morning. As I was growing up, every time we witnessed a momentous occasion like this, my father would always tell me and my siblings, paglaki niyo, maaalala niyo ito. Or, one day, when you grow up, you will remember this moment. I will certainly remember this very special day as I witnessed the start of our children's new adventure. As I witnessed the historical day for our future ballerina, who will travel the world and make our country proud. For the future scientist who will find a cure for cancer. And yes, I believe that person will come from this graduating class. A very special moment for our future athletes who will dominate the world of sports. And for the next music icon who will be a global phenomenon replacing Taylor Swift. I am deeply honored to speak in front of such important people today. You graduates are the superheroes who will make this world an even better place. Kids, your days at the Hive may be over, but I'm sure those days will forever remain in your core memories. The Hive has prepared you for bigger adventures, just like when Mario and Luigi attempted to save New York and Princess Peach from King Bowser. Or when Barbie ventured into the real world to discover the joys and sorrows of living in reality. Teacher Joy, Teacher Zoe, Teacher Mel, Teacher Sheen, Teacher Maya, Teacher Princess, and even Ate Malu have not only helped you sharpen your academic skills, but also helped mold your values. Kids, I want you to remember the importance of teamwork, the value of friendship, and most importantly, respecting other people. Teachers, thank you for your hard work, patience, and love. You have treated our kids as your own. I'm sure you will miss the buzzing sound of these little bees inside the hive. To my co-parents, give yourselves and each other a high five or a pat on the back for passing on your good-looking genes. Not only do we have smart, talented kids, but also beautiful and handsome ones. Now you know why Nyla is smart and beautiful. Her mom is the smart one.
No.
Kidding aside, you must be proud of yourselves for starting things off right. Your kids have exemplified the good values they learned from you at home. I'm 100% sure our beloved teachers will vouch that managing your children was easy. This day may be bittersweet for us, as much as we wish these kids could stay little like they were when they started preschool. We have to accept they are growing up and we are getting older. Our job now is to prepare them for success. I am very sure that you're very proud of them now, but you will even more proud of them as they grow older. Before I finish, I have a few pointers for a little piece. Do you guys want to have superpowers one day? Yes? Kids? Okay, I see kids raising their hands. Okay. Listen carefully and make sure you remember these P's. Okay? Number one, I want you guys to be imaginative. You can be anyone you want to be. Believe that you can do anything. Your imagination will take you to different places. All you have to do is just close your eyes and picture yourself doing it. Because if you can imagine it, you can do it, that's for sure. Number two, be kind. Nobody likes a bad person. Agree? Who likes a bad person? You guys like a bad person? No, you don't. Okay, so always remember to be kind to the people you see every day. Most especially to your friends, your future classmates, and most importantly to your family. Okay? Number three, be curious. You kids are already good at this. You have a lot of questions and you want to know a lot of things about the world. Continue, keep being curious because this can lead you to many discoveries. But of course, make sure you learn something new. And lastly, be the best that you can be.
My papa always tells me, even now that I am older,
That it doesn't matter if I'm number one in class or the best basketball player in the world. As long as I give the best, I give my best in everything I do, that is more than enough. Thank you everyone and congratulations to our little beast. We are very proud of you.